Welcome to Cooking with Caroline and Kyle. I'm Kyle and this is Caroline. And Christmas is my favorite time of the year because I get to cook in the kitchen with my family and make a lot of fun memories.
Okay, so today we're going to be making rotisserie chicken, green beans, mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, and for dessert, a chocolate pudding pie.
So let's get started. Let's start with washing our hands.
Today we're starting with the rotisserie chicken. Start by cutting open the chicken.
Pat the chicken dry with a paper towel.
Next, add some olive oil.
Then rub the olive oil in.
Then, in a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder.
Then gracefully put the seasoning on the chicken.
For 10 minutes, cook at 450 degrees, then lower to 350 and cook for an hour.
Now we're gonna make mac and cheese.
Start by filling a pot with water and bring it to a boil.
Then, while your water is boiling, shred 2 cups of cheddar cheese and 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese.
When your water is boiled, put your pasta in while stirring occasionally.
After about 10 minutes, when your noodles are soft, you're ready to drain it.
Now, in a separate pan, add a stick of butter and let it melt completely.
Then, add 2.5 tablespoons of flour to the butter. Fun fact, this is called a roux.
Now, pour the mixture onto your noodles.
Then, add the shredded cheese. Did you know that Jingle Bells was actually a Thanksgiving song before it was a Christmas song?
Now mix your cheese.
Now plate your mac and cheese and it's ready to serve.
Next, we're going to make the chocolate pie.
Mix the packet of chocolate pudding mix along with 2 cups of milk. Then mix together until there is no more visible powder.
Next, pour half of the batter into your crust.
We decided to go with the pre-made graham cracker crust because it was just easy.
Now layer the pie with whipped cream. Then add the rest of the chocolate mix.
Smooth out the chocolate and put a final layer of whipped cream.
Refrigerate for 1 hour.
Now we're making mashed potatoes. Start by boiling a pot of water.
Next, peel as many potatoes as you'd like for your mashed potatoes.
Next, chop your potatoes into cubes.
When the water is boiled, add in your potatoes.
When you can easily cut the potatoes, you know it's ready to drain.
Then add in some butter.
Mix the butter and the potatoes.
To end, we're going to make green beans.
You're going to want to get a skillet.
All you'll need is green beans and butter.
Break off the tips of the green beans.
Then add your butter and let it melt completely.
Then add your green beans and mix them around occasionally.
When your green beans start to turn brown, you know they're done.
Now your Christmas dinner is ready to be served. Thanks for cooking with us today. I hope you guys had a lot of fun making these recipes. And remember, Christmas isn't about perfection. It's about the memories you make with your friends and family. Merry Christmas!